Hello, Croeso i'r Fenter, welcome to the Venture and welcome to Ven'S Shed, the exciting new project here at the Venture for people over 50. So what is Ven'S Shed? Well, we meet Mondays, 12 till 3, and it can be whatever you want it to be. So perhaps you want a cup of tea and a chat with other people your age, or you want to build and do some maintenance work on our adventure playground, or you've got a green thumb and you can do some gardening and landscaping in our children's centre. Maybe you want to access services. So we've got Liz from the Alzheimer's Society. She's the dementia support worker for Wrexham. She's going to be popping in and offering advice and telling us all about the services that they provide. Or we've got Roger from Prime Cymru. He's going to be popping in and telling us all about the work they do. Or maybe you just want to be part of your community. Perhaps you came here as a young person or a child 40 years ago. Now's the perfect time to come back and claim your space on the Venture. Or maybe you've never been here before. Come on down, come and see what it is that we do here in the community. Whatever it is you want to do, we want to see you. So join us Mondays 12 till 3. You can just pop down. You can contact us on Wrexham 355761. You can go on our website, theventurewrexham.com. You can find us on Facebook or on Twitter at theventure78. But most importantly, we'd love to see you. So diolch am wylio, thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you soon.